If you try to save an invoice in TravelJoy and receive an error message that the payments don't quite add up to the total, this means that the scheduled payments that you've assigned to the client don't quite cover the full price of the invoice. Let's go ahead and take a look at what that means for you. At the bottom right corner of this example invoice, you'll see a total of $335 out of $820. What this means is that you've scheduled payments due from your client totaling $335, but what the client actually owes you in total for this invoice is $820. This means even if the client pays all of their payments, they haven't really covered the full cost of the invoice. In order to fix this, we'll click the Add Payment button. This will immediately add a payment for the full amount remaining due, which was $485. You'll now see these two numbers at the bottom right corner match, indicating that the payments on the payment schedule cover the entire amount of the invoice. If you'd like, you can continue making edits to the amounts of each payment due, but at the very end, all of the payments must add up to the same amount as the top of the invoice. Once this happens, you can click Next, Save and Review Email, and no more error message.